again. I'm going to show you how to do a rainbow science experiment. Now for this one, you're going to need a paper plate, a package of Skittles, and some hot water. Make sure your grown-up handles the hot water for you. So I use the Skittles that we got in our Easter baskets. So if you use a small one like this, is that the right way? If you use a small one like this, you can use about 3 of these packets, or if you have a regular size pack, then you can use those ones. So you're gonna wanna open your Skittles and put them all on the plate, just like this, and then put them all in a ring around the plate. Now to get the blue ones, I had to get a different flavor of Skittles, but that'll work just fine even if you don't have the blue ones. Put them all in a ring around the plate, and once they're all in place, then you take the hot water, be sure your grown-up handles this part, friends, and you pour just a little tiny bit of hot water in the middle, and we are gonna watch what happens to our Skittles. Keep watching. Do you see that? Look at all the colors that are coming out of the Skittles and making a rainbow in the middle of the plate. It looks so cool, just like a rainbow outside. It's getting bigger. If you look real close, you can see that the Skittles are taking, the hot water is taking off the color of the Skittles and putting it into the water. It's gonna go all the way to the middle, I think. What do you think? Is it gonna reach all the way to the middle? Ooh, we'll have to wait and see. We're getting pretty close. Do you see how along here all of the Skittles that are under the water are turning white? Because that's the color that is going into the water, into the middle. Look at that, it's so close to the middle. It's getting there. Oh my gosh, it's closer, it's closer, it's closer. It got all the way to the middle. Look at that rainbow, friends. That is super cool. And all you need is some Skittles and a paper plate and some hot water. Thanks for joining me for this science experiment, friends. Remember, have your grown-ups get the hot water for you, and then you can do this science experiment at home. See you later.